Today we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day, right? So this is not only for the celebration. Today we are gathered to remind our national leaders and also those who are sacrificed their lives and also they are given services to our nation. So not only celebration, we have to remember our leaders and their sacrifices. So Britishers, coming to the point to the Britishers have ruled our country around 200 years. And not only Britishers have colonized our country, but remaining like Dutch, French, and Portuguese, and many other country peoples are colonized our country. But majorly the Britishers are criticized our country and also colonized our country and also dominated severely. And their role, our leaders and also people are became like a slaves, and also they are crucial punishments also given by the Britishers, like humiliation, discrimination, domination, all that. Around 200 of years, the people are struggled a lot. So then after so many leaders came forward, and they contributed their services like protesting against the Britishers and fighting against the Britishers. So some of the great people like Jhansi Lakshmi Bai and Sardar Vallabhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lala Lajpat Rai, Balagangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Alluri Sita Ramaraju, Bhagat Singh. So many leaders have sacrificed their life. They did not think about their career, their personal life, and nothing. They only fight for the nation. So that is the major and main problem at the time of the 200 centuries back. So, but now we are enjoying, celebrating, and cheering up all because of the sacrifices only. At that moment, the Britishers are dominated severely. Murders, rapes, attacks, actions, all the things were happened at that time. So that time is the major problem about getting freedom and independence. So we have to take inspiration of there and also we have to follow them. At that time, freedom is a major problem. And what are the current problems are there as a student? How can you contribute your services? How can you give service to the nation? You have to think about that. At that time, 100 years or 200 years back, there is a major problem about freedom only. So now what are the problems are there in the country? You have to focus on that. For example, India is struggling for the economical crisis, educational crisis, agriculture problem, industrial development, science and technology. In every field you can see there is a lack something, there is a crisis something. So you as a student you have to not only have to enjoy your life, as a student you have to contribute your services to the nation as much as possible, not only of the family, not only for getting the jobs and nothing. From your side, you have to become a scientist, you have to become a political leader and also great reformer and also you have to become a IAS, IPS officer you have to become. And now you can see the many other countries like America, Australia, Canada, Europe and other kingdoms, they are ruling our country. Example, you can take the Trump, America, they are dominating our country, imposing the severe taxes on our country, imposing the tariff on our countries. So this is the largest and biggest country and developed country. That countries are still dominating our country. As citizens of India, as citizens of students, you have to give your services to the nation and you have to build a good construction to the nation. I want to conclude with the great slogan. बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, जय हिंद जय भारत. Thank you.